Hey everybody, welcome back to the BG Bakers. In today's video, I'm going to be making a strawberry tart filled with pastry cream. So let's get started. First, in a small bowl, whisk together 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, and half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Processor, blend together 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2/3 a cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle 1 stick of cold butter over your flour mixture and pulse it until it resembles coarse crumbs. With the machine running, add your egg mixture and process it until the dough just comes together. Press your dough into a 6-inch disc, then wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 1 hour. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, heat together 2 cups of half and half, 6 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 pinch of salt. While that is heating, whisk together 5 egg yolks in a separate bowl. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of sugar for 15 seconds. Then, vigorously whisk in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch for 30 seconds. Once your mixture is heated and has been brought to a full simmer, gradually and slowly whisk it into your egg mixture to temper the eggs. Now return the mixture back to the saucepan over medium heat and whisk it constantly until a few bubbles burst at the top and the mixture has thickened and is glossy for about 30 seconds. Then pour it into a bowl and whisk in 4 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter and 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now put plastic wrap directly on the top and refrigerate it overnight. After 1 hour of letting your dough cool, roll it out between 2 floured pieces of plastic wrap until it is 13 inches across. Then put your dough into the tart tin. Then put your dough in the freezer and let it freeze for 30 minutes. Cover it with foil and then pour pie weights into it. And if you don't have pie weights like me, you can fill it with coins. They work just the same. Then put it in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the foil and put your tart crust in for 5 to 8 more minutes. When it comes out of the oven, put it in the refrigerator overnight. Now it's time to assemble the tart. Spread your cooled pastry cream into the tart crust until it is all smooth. And then put strawberries facing down on the top of your tart. In a small saucepan over medium-high heat, heat together 1/2 a cup of apple jelly until it has come to a full simmer, and then brush it over your strawberries to give it a glossy texture. Then enjoy.